to the box
conference will
model.
now be recorded.
Come to the box model. How the box model will be? I took two paragraphs. And what are the properties for the box model, sir? For box model, in every HTML, every element is a rectangle box. One is the height, one is the width, one is the padding, one is the margin, one is the border, one is the outline. Height means vertical space. Width means horizontal space. Padding means inner space. Margin means outer space. Border means decoration. Outline means extra decoration. If I took in the program, I took two paragraphs here. I given style called background color. I given style called color. And if I am giving the single value, that will applicable for top, right, bottom, left. If I give two values, that will be applicable for top, bottom, right, left. If I give three values, that could be applicable for top, right, left, and bottom. If I give four values, first one for the top, second one for the right, third one for the bottom, fourth one for the left. Same for the margin also. Okay, if you want, you can give the different values also. Padding left, padding right, padding bottom, padding top. Okay, if I go for the margin is outer space now. I'm giving outer space margin 20 pixel. If you want, you can give single value. If you want, you can give two values. If you want, you can give three values. If you want, you can give four values also. Same like border. When I say border, shorthand method border 5 pixel. If I say border 5 pixels solid red, the first property for width of the border, second property for style of the border, third property for color of the border. Okay, if you want, you can write border width separate, border color separate, border style separate. Am I clear, sir? Am I clear? Any confusion on this? Am I clear? Any
Yes,
confusion?
yes,
Answer, Rachna. Okay. Okay, fine. I will upload the session. Please go ahead. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Comments. Your comments are valuable. Go ahead. Go ahead with the comments.